It was an evening of literary expression and a day and a night filled with musical delights. It's a recap of Gungo Walk and a tribute to Miss Lou on this week's edition of the Arts Page.
But my mother, she dead 12 years now, and my father, he dead 5.
Now my heart sympathize with her. Me say, God and Mary, girl, you're right. But hear me mind, thank God for me belly. Going to bus tonight, so run the big fan some stale bread. Make Jones some coconut eye. Shot loud, make grudgeful, ever know. We're going to eat inside.
A little rain could not dampen the spirits of poetry lovers gathered for an evening with Miss Lou. The concert and exhibition staged at the Louis Bennett Garden Theatre on Miss Lou's birthday featured a star-studded lineup. Faye Ellington, Amina Blackwood-Meeks, Dion Silvera, Karen Harriet Wilson, and Sheldon Shepherd all expressed their love for the patois queen while showing off their command of her extensive repertoire.
And Nancy was so anxious to go look work, and Nancy forget to say prayers. Cause every day, and Nancy go to him altar, and him say to the ancestors, you see I am going on a journey, and it is with you that this journey can be safe. But the hungry belly picked them in a Nancy head, him forget to say the prayers.
They start to call out, Aki! Pia! Right planting going poo! Me got red fruit! Here the girl back on me. Me too!
MC Dion Silvera did a clever impersonation reminiscent of Miss Lou's veranda when she would tell stories to friends and neighbors. And if those performances weren't enough to satisfy the audience, the patrons were treated to a ring-ding enactment with the students from Mona Prep School. Sunday, September 7 was the 95th anniversary of the birth of the late Dr. the Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley, a cultural icon who brought global recognition for the Jamaican dialect. Miss Lou will love you.
Would you let me see beneath your beautiful?
3 stages, more than enough platforms to showcase the best of Jamaica's music and art. The third Gungo Walk World Alternative Music and Arts Festival was a hit with patrons who didn't have to wait through long band changes to hear their favorites. Art and music lovers who turned up at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts saw more than 30 bands, spoken word acts, dance workshops, and artworks on display.
What a fire you jumped up to me. So the wickedness of them must roll me. When times get dark, shall love not be up at the start. In a Rastafari way. When I hit the pan, I feel your approval.
Me sure nobody no perfect. Show me a man when never been perfect. I've got my gods up, you've got your issues. Make it work. It's been a while, still we stick it. Through thick and thin, and you always standing right by me.
The Alternative Music Festival was a platform for emerging acts, with the full endorsement of the Ministries of Culture, Tourism and Entertainment.
We've been able to accomplish this since day one, since the first year, because the people are there, you know, they're not being exposed necessarily, but we know who they are. We see them, like I go and see them in small venues and that kind of thing. I want to bring them all together so they can share their audiences and people can go, oh, this also exists. I can, you know, I like this as well, I like that as well. So everybody brings their crowd and they share.
No
não te esquecerei jamais. Teu olhar me traz paz, e eu te quero demais.
That's the sound of reggae in Portuguese, coming from international artist Brazilian Soraya Drummond, who thrilled the audience. Patrons were also captivated by the skill and grace of Brazilian martial arts group Capoeira. From Miss Lou to Gungo Walk, September started off with a heavy dose of arts and culture, providing family-oriented events. This has been the Arts Page.